Hello and good morning. It is Memorial Day. I am off to the grocery store. I waited to the last minute to decide that I wanted to barbecue today. So I feel like today's gonna be a crazy day at the grocery store, but we're gonna go for it. And it's also my first time ever grilling. So wish me luck on that. My dad kind of showed me how to use it, but I'm still a little nervous. So I'm off to the store. Okay, so I just walked into Target and apparently I got the noisiest cart, but I am going straight to groceries, trying to focus. It's actually not too crazy. I thought it was going to be really packed here, but it's not, so that's a good sign. So I know I said I was coming to the grocery store, but apparently Target is a grocery store to me. So I'm going to try out this carne asada. It's $18. I've never realized how much meat is because I don't buy a lot of meat. I also got like 4 patties, lettuce, and then these little tray things to take everything by the pool, but they don't have like regular like tomato-y things that I can tell. Oh, maybe they do. So I don't know what kind of dip. I'm sorry, everything's like really loud right now. Okay, so anyways, I was saying I'm not sure like what tomatoes to get because we don't have knives to cut things. Also, this is gonna be interesting, very interesting. Okay, I've been to Target a couple times and I've seen these and they have cute packaging, and I saw someone else on TikTok say that these are good, so we're gonna give these a try. I feel like that'll be a good little side dish. Okay, so I think I got most of the groceries we need. We also needed like regular groceries. So now I'm in like the fun summer section of Target, and I picked up one of these grilling sets. I hope this is everything that I will need. Mostly I just need like the little tongs to flip the meat. We have foil at home. I feel like that's it. Like, it's a gas barbecue, so I think I'll be good with that. But now I'm just kind of browsing. I think I'm done here. Okay, so before I got started on the grill, I obviously got dressed a little bit, but I think I'm supposed to like season the meat before I grill it. So I don't know if we have a lot of seasoning, but I just grabbed whatever we had, and I'm gonna just add some salt and pepper and stuff to them before I throw them on the grill. Okay, so here's the meat. Now that I seasoned it, I don't know, it looks whatever. But I also got hot dogs and Target's version of carne asada. So I guess we will get started. Okay, so from what I remember, my dad telling me the first step is to turn on the little gas. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm scared. I don't want to hold this. I feel like I'm gonna blow up. Okay, ready? Okay, I turned it on just a little. I'm scared. I feel like that was kind of loud. I don't know. Okay. I did it! I feel like that was like the worst part. Okay, so now I gotta put everything back on. Oh, the foil is green. Alright, no big deal. Cut the camera. So I just also want to note that this barbecue is pretty old. My dad found it, and you know, I love a thrifting moment. I love reusing stuff that people think is trash, so that's why it's a little dirty. So I'm not gonna grill directly on it. I'll put like a piece of foil over, but that was scary. So my phone is balancing on the fence now, so we're just gonna put the meat on the grill. I think that would be good. So we've got the hamburgers on the grill, we've got some hot dogs. I'm gonna wait for the carne asada, but I think now I just need to like do this and just hang out here and like check on it. Okay, I feel like meat on the grill cooks way faster than like on the stovetop. I already want to flip it over, but I don't know. I don't think it's definitely not ready. Okay, so while that's happening, I'm gonna also start on the Goodles mac and cheese that I got and get this little situation started. I brought in some reinforcement to see if the hot dogs are done because I really have no idea. I just started those four. Those four in the back have been cooking. The ones with little boils on them. Yeah? Are those ones done or no?
Yeah, like I would probably use these two.
Okay, you could take those out. I prepped like a little spot for them. They get this little foam right here. Gorgeous. Thank you, assistant griller.
You're welcome, Master Griller. Maybe.
They call me Grill Baka around here. All right, so I think the burgers are done now. So I'm gonna take these babies off and add some cheese. Okay, so the burgers and hot dogs are done. I threw the carne asada on the grill. It actually cooked pretty fast. This is my first time flipping it over. Yeah, it looks good. I finished grilling all the meats. I just toasted some buns, and now it is time to turn off the grill. Woo! I'm also gonna turn off the gas, and now we're done. Okay, so now that all the food is done, I am going to start loading up my little wagon with the food and everything to take down to the pool. And these are all of my pool floaties. So I'm gonna go through them and choose which ones I want to take and blow up there. So I literally have probably like a dozen floaties. And I use this little air pump that I bought on Amazon. This one does not need to be plugged in. It just needs to be charged, which is really cool. So if there's not like an outlet nearby, I can just use this one. I also have one that you plug in, but I'm not sure. It's in here somewhere. So I'm gonna go through these and figure out which ones I want to take. All right, so we gathered all the food. We are now by the pool with our grilling. I haven't tried anything yet though. Jess, have you taken a bite?
The guac and the burger, yeah.
Oh, yay! How was the burger?
Compliments to the chef.
Oh my god, yay! So a success for my first grilling experience. Okay, so we finished up our little eating sesh. We ate so fast. But all the meat was actually pretty good. So I just blew up my Hello Kitty floaty, and the water's a little chilly, so we might use that. So I totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday, and I just wanted to show a little realistic side of how my day is going. I literally am so tired today. It's the next day. But we hung out last night. We went out in Newport, and I went to bed at like 12:30ish and then got up for work today. And oh my gosh, I am just so exhausted. But grilling was super fun, and it was really cool to just hang out by the pool. And I am going to get back into posting these vlogs. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.